it's kind of like a corny answer that everyone says they want to like improve the lives of others as engineers, but I think that's something that I really want to do in the future. And I think we're doing that here in the lab.
ARC Lab stands for Additive and Robotic Construction Laboratory, and the focus of this lab is to change the way we build our infrastructure, building and bridges. We are seeking to build additively, similar to other disciplines in 3D printing. So we actually 3D printed concrete from different type of concrete in different mediums, like in air and underwater. The main goal of this lab is actually to change the way we think about building our structures and infrastructure.
So when I was an undergrad, my senior year, Dr. Mantawy had me come into his office one day and he was trying to convince me to join his clinic. He got me to join in the spring. As an undergrad worker, I worked on 3D printing and I fell in love with it. And then that summer I joined as a PhD student.
We start from really dust to dust, meaning that we engineer our own mixes, developing them, printing them. We locally source all our material from New Jersey, so 95% of our materials actually within 20 miles, which make it critical because now we can reduce shipping cost, and using locally sourced material is always beneficial for 3D printing of concrete. After we get the material, so you'll have a student inside the mixing room mixing the concrete and trying to get the best possible printable material. From the behind the scene, you will see a student working on 3D models, slicing software in order to get the command or G-code to the printer to print additively. We load the material to the printer, we print, we do quality control, and we extract sample for testing. So it's very collaborative and multi-stage process.
We have a really collaborative group. The graduate students we have in the lab, all of us are working together in the lab on every project, and Dr. Mantawy is always here helping. We're all very hands-on with the project, that everyone gets involved, so it's really helpful to have a whole bunch of people working on it. There's not a lot of other universities that are doing the work that we're doing, and I think looking for sustainable, like innovative ideas, I think we're at the forefront of that, and I think it could really push like the construction industry further. I've been here for like forever at this point. I've lived in the area my whole life. For something this innovative to be happening like this close to my home, I think it's really cool to just see how everything's grown over the last couple of years. It's exciting the work we've done, but it's also exciting to see like what's going to happen in the next year or two, like as we keep working and we keep finding new ways to improve our equipment and our printing and all that stuff. I think it's really exciting to see what we're doing.